When we first got computers, whenever we wanted to save a document, we had to save it on one of these. This was called a floppy disk. For all you millennials, this is the little save icon that you have to press. Then we got these, which are hard drives, which are basically these on steroids. So you can have about 728,000 of these on one of these. This was better, but it's stuck in the computer. It's not portable. You can't carry it around. Then we got discs, CDs, DVDs, which are better, and USB drives, which are now big. But the problem is, now I have something I have to carry around again. Then we got networked computers, where you could store files on network drives and access those files on any computer that was attached to that same network. So in Saskatoon Public Schools, we called that the M drive. The problem is, when you leave the network, like when you go home, you lose easy access to those files. Now you can actually get those files, but it's basically one way. You have to download the files, work on them, and then you can put them back. What a lot of people do when they save their files is they click File, Save As, and then hit Browse. Now a lot of people hit the desktop. Now the desktop is fine, but the desktop is the hard drive. So if you save anything here and your computer crashes, it's gone forever. If you're going to save something, it's best to save it to your M drive, which is on the network. To get your M drive at home, visit your school page or the division page, and up at the top you'll see these buttons. What you want to click is My Site. My Site will bring you to a site that will be customized for you, and you'll notice these buttons up on the top. So if you click on Home Drive, it will ask you for your password. So you enter your password in there, hit Submit, and this is your M drive that you would see at school. Now you can get these files, but basically what you have to do, notice if I click on one, the download option is available. I can download that file. I can make changes to it, but then I have to re-upload it. I can't work on them directly from here. So there is a better way. The other way is OneDrive. Think of OneDrive as a network drive, but that the network is the internet, meaning you can get it anywhere that you have access to the internet. Also, when you have files saved on the OneDrive, you can share it with other staff members so that they can see it and edit it as well. This is not the OneDrive that Microsoft sells to the public. This is a modified version that we have located on the Saskatoon public servers. So with that in mind, this is the best cloud option for sensitive data. So for example, if you have a file that has student names and addresses or anything that we'd consider private data, this is the best place to store it. It also works well with Microsoft Office files because it gives you the option to use online versions of the Office tools similar to the Office 365 tools. So what is the cloud? The cloud is basically an internet drive where you can save files so that you can access them anywhere that you have access to the internet. So today we looked at the networked M drive and our on-premise OneDrive, which is the true cloud option of the two. Next week we'll look at Office 365, OneDrive, as well as the Google Drive, and how to create files and share them with others. Thanks. See you next week.